Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Have you upgraded to iOS 27? Can't wait to explore the new features, but what if the iOS 27 update doesn't show up on your device? Don't worry, this video will help you easily solve this issue and upgrade to iOS 27 to enjoy the new features. Let's get started. There are generally a few reasons why you might not see the iOS 27 update. The first step is to check if your device is compatible. We know that iOS 27 only supports certain iPhone models. If you're using an older device, you won't see the iOS 27 update. Also, make sure the beta option is turned off and you're no longer receiving beta updates. If these checks don't solve the problem, you can try the following methods. Method 1. Adjust internet settings. It's important to ensure a stable network connection. Check if your Wi-Fi signal is stable. Even if the icon shows strong, the signal might be too weak to process the update. If Wi-Fi is weak, consider switching to mobile data, but make sure you have enough data first. If both Wi-Fi and mobile data fail to connect, the next step is to reset network settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This will refresh your network settings and resolve many connection issues. After resetting, try connecting to another Wi-Fi network and see if the problem persists. If it continues, the system stability may be the problem. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. Upgrading to iOS 27 also requires enough storage on your device. It's best to keep 5 to 10 gigabytes free, as low storage is a common reason for errors. To force restart your iPhone, follow these steps. Press the volume up button first, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, try downloading the iOS 27 update again. If it still doesn't work, consider using Apple devices to update iOS 27. Method 3. Using Apple devices. If the problem still exists, you might need to use a computer to solve it. You can install Apple devices on your computer or use iTunes or Finder. After connecting your phone to the computer, open Apple devices. Select Check for Update. If an update is available, just click Update. However, due to delays, it might not include the iOS 27 update, or the update time may be longer because a server connection is required. If you want to update faster and experience new features, I strongly recommend using tenorshare ReiBoot to update to iOS 27. Method 4. Updating with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a powerful tool designed to solve various iOS issues, including upgrade and downgrade features. The download link is in the description below. Please follow these steps. After connecting your iPhone to the computer, open ReiBoot, select iOS upgrade, and then choose Upgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect the latest iOS 27 version. Next, you just need to download the corresponding firmware. Afterwards, just wait a few minutes to update your iPhone with no extra waiting or complicated steps, and you can immediately enjoy the new features of iOS 27. If you are not satisfied with the new iOS 27 system or encounter issues like battery drain, you can use ReiBoot to downgrade. Simply click the downgrade button and download the suitable firmware to safely restore to the previous version, making your system experience more stable. I hope these suggestions can help you solve issues such as update requests or update pauses. When upgrading to iOS 27, feel free to share your thoughts on the new features and any problems you encounter in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.